man's got a Black Lives Matter t-shirt. Hell no. Insane. He's big racist. What you think? Please don't do that. Since your music is so certified funky fresh, I need you to write a song for me so I can wear all the monsters in one place. I decided to do that. No problem. Is that federal register for you? No, it's fresh. Here's no problem. You mind if I borrow it? And I guess I'll just wipe his finger cranks off before you bring it back.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
It takes a monster to catch a monster. We'll deal with him later. First, we gotta deal with all these other monsters. So I'm gonna take this boombox and put it in the bait house and play the new Monster Mash. So I'm hoping whenever all those monsters hear how funky fresh the new Monster Mash is, they'll come over and start mashing. And while they're mashing, we can go in and...
Yes, yes.
I just hope it works.
Sure, that might work. Anyway, to stop all those monsters.
We don't want you to start mashing too. Believe me, this song is a certified hood classic.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, mash.
Grab your attention, please. All monsters to the Monster Mash. Monsters and creatures, come to the front, please. On my couch, she came on my team. Hold up, while I'm trying to eat, I'm running for my life, and I hope they don't see me. Like a fighter couldn't know me. The face couldn't get my toe.
This shit hard, bro.
She's so trapping, you already know. Monster Mash is the Monster Mash. Shake your ass, bitch, shake your ass. Monster Mash is the Monster Mash.
Hell no.
Shake your ass. Monster Mash is the Monster Mash. Shake that ass, bitch, shake that ass. Can I smash, bitch? Can I smash?
Super turtle. God.
Uh-oh.
Alright, Simmons, let's go check it out. Well, Simmons, I think we killed all of them, but what I want to know is where the hell they got all this cash from. I didn't think killing people...
Oh no, wait. Michael Myers. He's still alive.
Good night, Simmons.
Yeah. Oh, yes. Good job, Simmons. Okay. Yes. Shake it. Shake it.
Scary monsters go to college?
Yeah, Monsters University.
Well, of course they do. Yes. Shake it, guys. Shake it.
Hey, bro, yo, that shit was lit as hell, bro, yo. Shout out to SML movie, bro. They was in that turn. Chucky, Michael Myers, Freddy Krueger. Oh my God.